What's up, YouTube? It's By Riders for Riders. This is the Mongoose Mode 540. First off, I took the brake off, cut the flanges, whatever you call them, off my grips, and I got Ranch 8.5 rise bars with a red Sunday Freeze stem. I had the unboxing on there, and I have a We the People sticker, monster sticker, animal sticker. I ride left foot forward, so I put a rant sticker right there so you read it, and then monster sticker right there so you could see it. And the tread on the back kind of sucks because I was going fast and a car pulled out in front of me, and when I had the brakes, all I did was squeeze the brakes and slid maybe 2 feet, and power slide marks and all that. It's a pretty light bike. The headset, or no, the stem and the handlebars are 4 pounds total. Bike. I haven't weighed it since I put the new parts on there, so I don't know what the difference is, but yeah, later today I'm probably gonna do some how-tos, how to 180, foot jam. I need to get some pegs though, so if any cheap pegs. I used to do only metal pegs, but leave comments on which one's better, plastic sleeved or just metal, because I've been wondering that. And yeah, and so like, subscribe.